Hello everyone, my name is Babin Alam Khan. Today in this week, what I learned, I'm going to make a video of 5 minute reflection. So if we go on the introduction part, I learn about the loops are used to repeat a set of instruction multiple times. They help reduce code repetition and improve efficiency. And this is the concept which is introduced in the objective of the lecture. Now, what's the problem? And in the motivation section, uh, I learn writing the same statement many times is inefficient. The lecture show printing a message 100 times is a problem. This motivation, the use of loop for automation. For the now, for while loop, a loop a while loop run as long as condition is true. It uses initialization, condition checking, and updating, and it is useful when the number of iteration is known. If we go on flowing loop flow chart, the loop first check the condition before execution, and if it's true, it's run the body and updated the variables, and if false, the loop stop and exist. If you go on trace while loop, in the tracing it shows step by step execution of the loop. It helps understand how variable change each iteration, and the loop stops when the condition becomes false. Now, for the loop section here, centennial. If we look ending a loop with a centennial value, a centennial value is used to stop a loop, and it is useful when the number of input is not fixed. For example, entering 0 to end input. Execution for the loop. For the loop question, a floating point number are not always exact. Using equality checks may cause infinite loops. Always avoid using that values in looping condition. If we look the range control loop start end and step values. For example, range 5 give value from 0 to 4. So it is essential for controlling loop execution. Now for the nested loop, nested loops are loop inside another loop. They are used for complete pattern and tables. For example, multiplication tables. Now if you look real if you look on the real application, loop are used in games, quizzes and calculation. Example include prime number and guessing games. They help solve real world programming problems. Then after, in a real application, loops are used for the break and continue. Break stops the loop immediately, and continue skip the current iteration, and this helps to control loop execution efficiently. uh, that all the things that I learned in this week. So thank you so much.